Hi family, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribe. So today we are preparing pumpkin, and since I don't know how to prepare pumpkins, guys, I don't know, I've never cooked pumpkin. So my husband is helping me to prepare the pumpkin.
I'm teaching you, not helping
He's
you.
teaching me. Okay. He's teaching me how to cook a pumpkin, guys. So it's a big pumpkin, as you can see. I didn't know how even to cut it, guys. That one is so big. I don't know how to cut it, so I just want him to show me how to cut the big pumpkin and to prepare it, guys. So where's the knife? Let's get the knife. So guys, I'm being taught how to prepare the pumpkin. See how hard it is, guys. It's so hard to break it. Yes, I told you it's hard, baby. I told you I don't know how to make the pumpkin. And you thought this pumpkin is big, heavy, and hard, guys. It's a struggle to break it. So guys, you want to cut the pumpkin into small pieces.
Minutes.
20 minutes. Guys, here it only takes 20 minutes to get ready, no matter how hard it seems to be. We are going to just to cook half of it. So we're going to keep this one in the fridge. Then you prepare this one for today. This one you're going to prepare another day. Maybe I should cook chapati pumpkin. I see other people cooking chapati pumpkins. So I think I'll try to cook pumpkin chapatis. That's a great idea. We're going to cook, guys, pumpkin chapatis. So this one, half of this we are going to prepare pumpkin chapatis. We try for the first time, guys. I see people cooking. I see people in YouTube cooking pumpkin chapatis. I've never tried to cook pumpkin chapatis. I've never tasted pumpkin chapatis. It's going to be my first time to cook pumpkin chapatis. It's going to be my first time to eat pumpkin chapatis. I only see people doing that on YouTube, preparing pumpkin chapatis. I only see people preparing pumpkin chapatis on YouTube, so we're going to try with you guys. So guys, we are done. We are just washing it. We're just washing. Then you put it on the pot, in the pot, and cook, guys. This is enough. I think this is not enough. So we use the bigger pots. So guys, after washing them, I'm just putting them in the pot. Then should we add salt or just water?
Water. And add salt.
We add salt, Daddy. My grandmother, I think her pumpkins are salty. I think she normally adds salt. Maybe it's optional. It's optional, guys. You can either add salt or just cook them like this if you want them to be sweet. If you want them to be salty, you will have to add salt. So adding salt is optional. So you done for salt? You want us to cook them? So let's add salt because we need them to be a little bit salty, guys. So guys, this is salt. I'm going to put just half tablespoon of salt. Half tablespoon of salt for them to be salty, but adding salt is optional, guys. You don't have to add salt if you want them to be sweet. For me, I like them when they're salty, a bit salty. Sweet and salt. Can I say sweet and salt? Because they won't be that salty because the pumpkin is always salt, it's always sweet. So when you add a little bit of salt, it's going to be sweet and salty. So I'm going to come. So I was preparing this, guys. So this one you are going to put on the seeds. These ones we put here, then you put somewhere else for them to dry. This one, I guess I keep it in the fridge. And the fridge is full of rabbits. So guys, here is our pumpkin. I've just added water and a little bit of salt. So let's cook it. Let's cook our pumpkin. So see you after 30 minutes, guys. See you after 30 minutes to check if our pumpkin is ready. You are still crying. How can you cry for almost a whole day? Since morning you are still crying, and you just tell your mama we are going to bed. So guys, you just you want to drain the water from the pumpkin. Sit in the chair, Basi, in the sitting room. Me here, I'm shooting my video. Go, Mama, go with Daddy. You try the pumpkin. So, guys, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to remove the pumpkin from the. I'm going to use the thorn, a thorn, to. So I'm just using the thorn to remove the pumpkin from the water. We both don't know how to cook because you see, we added a lot of water. So that's it, guys. Here's our pumpkin, and this is the remaining. I think this water is just a good, it's like a soup. Can I say it's soup, guys? This water is so nutritious, guys, because we use the pumpkin to cook here. If you want to make a soup, you can just remove the pumpkin from its skin, this skin. You can remove the pumpkin from skin, you put here, then you smash it, then it's going to be a very healthy soup if you want to make a soup. But for us, we want to eat it with what? I want to take some and drink it with tea, because I want to drink tea right now. It's breakfast. We are cooking this one for our breakfast, guys. So I want to eat it for breakfast with tea. But I think I've an idea, guys. I'm just going to use this one to prepare the chapatis, guys, to prepare the pumpkin chapatis. So I'm going to take some of these pumpkins, put here, smash, and this water I'm going to use it to prepare the pumpkin chapati, guys. So stay tuned for the pumpkin chapatis, guys. So let me serve for my breakfast, guys. Let me eat my breakfast. This is a so healthy breakfast. This is so healthy, guys. We are doing a healthy breakfast today. We are doing healthy breakfast today. That is it. That is it, guys. That is it. So this is my breakfast. Let me try. It's so yummy, guys. It's sweet, salty. It's sweet and salty, guys. It's sweet and salty. Combine that taste, you see, sweet and salty here, and so delicious, guys. It's so yummy. So yummy. Oh, guys, that's it. Let me go and check my tea now. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new here, please consider to subscribe, and for my subscribers, thank you so much. You mean the world to me. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate you guys. Bye, and let's meet on our next videos.